Right. Welcome back to another Baking with Raizadas video. And today we are making garlic bread. And it's going to be fire. Bag of the day is Harry Potter bag. Let's go get some ingredients from there.
Oh shit, here we go again.
For the bread, we just need bread flour. Got some bread flour and some herbs of choice and mozzarella. So let's go get that. Some herbs, we've got parsley and basil. And what else did we get? A mega garlic clove. And now we're gonna get some mozzarella and then we all done. Mozzarella acquired. So let's get back home and make this goddamn garlic bread. Most important step first. We gotta wash our goddamn.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Okay, 200 milliliters of warm water. And then whisk it. What else? Oil, which is 3 tablespoons of oil.
Is it definitely all this at the same time?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You need a good amount of salt for this bread.
We're doing a little bit at a time here.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay, is that the last end of them all? This should make more of a dough.
Hopefully. Taste testing, garlic and black pepper, chicken nuggets from Mackey's. Garlic soy mayo.
Chicken nuggets is like my family.
Let's try. That's really good. Okay, the next thing to do for you is we need all the garlic cloves out of that pod. The garlic.
Oh, I hate that job.
Yeah. That's why you're doing it and not me.
Yeah, boy.
Is it meant to be this sticky, do you reckon?
Yeah.
It is. Okay.
Yeah.
Nope.
I've seen it on the Bake Off. I think it is supposed to be sticky. Has that definitely been needed enough?
I think so.
Nope.
Ava's been busy at work. 1 million garlic cloves. Okay, get the garlic cloves in the bowl. And then get the olive oil. And you want to fill it like halfway up them. So not all the way up. So about there, I think, yes up? Yeah. Okay. I'm thinking we try like 150. Let's see what we look.
Yeah.
Okay, open a lot of them. So, should be about 50 minutes. So we'll see. Sorted. So our first batch of bread failed. So I'm going to try again. It just didn't rise. So we'll try again.
No, that's good.
It was needed for about a million years.
Yeah.
You're gonna start again.
It
Why?
didn't rise.
Huh?
The last one didn't rise, so we have
They put
8.
yeast in it.
Yeah. We just didn't need it long enough.
That's what we think.
Yeah.
Why don't you just use the bread maker?
We're trying to knead. No, it's not. That's why I wanted to stop. We have to keep kneading.
I want to try gift.
Isaac, actually put on like a 10-minute timer this time.
Well, we'll stop at 10.
We won't stop. We're going to do it longer than she says.
It's finally stopped being sticky. Okay, time for me to take over for the last 5 minutes. Put that shit
You need
down.
flour.
Okay. Must be violent with it. Look at this bad boy. It's pretty good.
Pretty good. Your mum.
Alright. I'm gonna put him in the bowl. Please.
Please work.
I'm gonna pull it tight. Okay. It's in the oven at like a low temperature, just to like be warm. And we hope and pray. So that's fine. How long do you want to give it? An hour?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna come back in 1 hour and pray. Apologies about the noise, but it's time to check the garlic bread. Let's see if it's risen. Oh, it has risen!
Oh my
Let's go!
Oh
Okay,
she's
okay, it worked, it worked, it worked, it worked. Look at that, look at that. Look at this.
Yeah, we also need to see.
So we actually have 2 batches because the first one actually worked, but this one's better. So we use this one first. But now we're gonna make like the garlic butter, which is literally the garlic, the herbs, and some 50 grams of melted butter and some salt. So let's get those ingredients ready. Parsley chopped and basil going in this container. That's going to go in with the garlic that we cooked. It's right here. And some butter, and we're going to blend it. Alright, get some butter. Salted butter if we can, please.
Oh my God!
Okay. It is going. Hold on. Roll. Roll. So we have melted butter.
Wait, how are we supposed to do that?
It's going to go in with these, and then we need the blender to bring it out there. And then our lovely garlic cloves that we baked earlier, and the oil. Now we're going to give this a good old blend. Cutting it into 16. So, grating mozzarella, and then we put the garlic butter in each bit, and then the cheese, and then we fold it to the tray. Mozzarella cheese. And we need the other one. It's a good thing we got 2. So now you have to do some folding or layering. So that is on there. Yep. Oh my God! Wow! Then you fold them over like so. And then they're going into this pan.
Yeah, boy.
This pan's too big.
OMG.
Stop hating, you're not having any. You're banned. Okay, this is the final product. We've egg washed it, layered it into the tray. That's going to bake now with all these lovely layers and the mozzarella and the garlic for around 40 minutes. Okay, let's have a look at it. What do we think? Is it done?
Another 5 minutes won't hurt, I feel.
I think 5 more minutes. But look
Yeah.
at that. That's pretty insane. Et voila. The ultimate garlic bread.
That wasn't very Christmassy.
No, it wasn't. That shit looks good. We're gonna let it cool for a little bit, and then we're gonna break it. We're gonna rip the middle and all that mozzarella. Oh, oh, oh! What do you think? It's still quite hot. We're gonna do a little cheese pull in this bad boy. Just look at it.
Do you mind just taking the rest of the clothes upstairs?
Okay.
There's not many left.
Look at that. That looks insane. Yeah. Garlic bread.
Whoa.
The ultimate garlic bread. Should I have a taste?
We also have my
There you go.
pizza rolls.
You have a taste?
Yeah.
Not good.
Mm-hmm.
Not very good.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. Damn.